Hi everyone, in this video I show you the correct way to change the CRS of a layer in ArcGIS Pro. Working with the correct CRS is essential because it is the only way to guarantee accuracy in any GIS analysis. When we work in GIS, every layer must use the coordinate reference system for the area we are analyzing. If the CRS is wrong, distances, areas and spatial relationships will be incorrect. In the link below, you will find the World UTM Grid shapefile. This layer helps identify the correct UTM zone for the region we want to work in. In my example, I work in Galicia, which is UTM Zone 29. After loading the grid, I zoom to the area and use the Identify tool to check the zone value. To check the current CRS of a layer, I right-click on it, open Properties and check Spatial Reference in the Source tab. In my case, it is ETRS89 EPSG 4258, Geographic Coordinates, not UTM. Since I want to work in UTM Zone 29, I need to reproject the layer. The proper method is to use the Project tool in geoprocessing. For input dataset, select the layer, and for output dataset, give a clear name including the CRS code. In Output Coordinate System, search and select the system reference you want to go. Click Run and ArcGIS Pro creates a new layer ready for work with. In some cases, we have a layer that shows an unknown coordinate system. When this happens, we must first determine which CRS the layer should have. Once we know it, we need to assign it to the layer. To do this, we use the Define Projection tool. This tool does not reproject the data. It simply assigns the correct CRS to a layer that does not have one defined. In this example, we have a layer with an unknown projection, and we know it should be in EPSG 25A29. So, we open the Define Projection tool, select the layer and choose the correct CRS. After running the tool, the layer will appear correctly positioned on the map. If we check the layer properties, we can confirm that it now has a proper spatial reference assigned. And that's it. This is the correct and safe workflow to reproject layers and to assign a projection to layers with unknown CRS in ArcGIS Pro. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.